this is my unboxing video. I just got my new Jeffree Star box. It's the Halloween mystery box. I did get 2 mystery treats, so we're gonna go ahead and look at it, see what I got. I know what's already in the box because I did look at a little bit of spoilers, so let's just get into it. First things first is we got this picture of Jeffree right here. Looking good, looking bootylicious. We're gonna open up the paper. I'm not gonna show the outside of the box because I don't want anyone to see my address. Ooh, oh my god, look at all this stuff. It's so much. Can you see that? Okay. All right, the first thing that sticks out to me is, ooh, okay, these 2 things. I think these are my mystery treats. We got a Supreme gloss in the shade Frosting for Dinner. I think I already have this one, but I mean, the more the merrier, right? Okay, and then this one is in Birthday Suit, and this is a velour liquid lipstick. These are both full size, so that's how I know these are the mystery treats right here. So that's pretty good. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single shadows. Now these come in handy for me because I actually have a magnetic palette, so you know, just go ahead and put them in there and it'll make a cute little color story. We'll check it out later. Okay. Ooh, we got an eye gloss in Wyoming Window. So this is different from the other mixed mystery boxes that I've seen. Okay, and then the other color I got, ooh, it's crisp. Next, I got the Weirdo palette. Now, I don't have this palette, so I'm excited. I actually really wanted this one because I think grungy colors really look good on me, so that's a plus. And next I got, what is this? Wrong Turn, and this is one of the, oh, okay, it's like a mini liquid lipstick. All right, and then I also got Spooky Makeover and Bricked Up, which are also velour liquid lipsticks. Okay, and now I got 3 shades of, what are these? Okay, these are full-size velour liquid lipsticks in Deceased, Red Rum, and Designer Blood. So excited to try those out. Now we have Grave Digger, and this is one of his velvet bullet lipsticks. These are so cute. Now the last makeup product we got here is one of his mascaras in black. So this is gonna be perfect to try out. I'll really get to put it to the test, see if it's, you know, Angelina approved. All right, now we got our 2 merch products right here. Now this is a little coin purse. I did see this in the other mystery boxes, so I was really excited to get this. And then we also got some socks. Who can't use some socks? That's so perfect. All right, thank you so much for watching. That was everything I got.